United States. Gardening. Many Americans enjoy tending to their gardens for relaxation and sustainability. China. Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a popular traditional Chinese martial art practiced for health and meditation. India. Cricket. Cricket is a widely followed and played sport, with millions participating and watching matches. Brazil. Football. Football is a national passion in Brazil, with a rich history and widespread participation. Japan. Calligraphy. Japanese calligraphy is an art form that involves writing beautiful characters with a brush and ink. Russia. Chess. Chess is a strategic game enjoyed by many Russians, with a strong tradition and competitive scene. Australia. Outdoor activities. Hiking, camping. Australians often engage in outdoor activities due to the country's diverse landscapes and climate. South Africa. Barbecue. The barbecue culture is popular in South Africa, bringing people together around grilled food. United Kingdom. Reading. The UK has a strong literary tradition, and many people enjoy reading books as a favorite pastime. Canada. Ice hockey. Ice hockey is a popular winter sport in Canada, with a passionate fan base and widespread participation. Mexico. Dancing. Salsa. Cumbia. Dance is an integral part of Mexican culture, with various styles like salsa and cumbia enjoyed across the country. Germany. Hiking. Germany's beautiful landscapes and well-maintained trails make hiking a popular outdoor activity. France. Cooking. French cuisine is renowned worldwide, and many in France take pleasure in cooking and experimenting with recipes. Italy. Art, painting, sculpture. Italy has a rich artistic history, and many Italians engage in various art forms as a creative outlet. South Korea. Video games. South Korea has a vibrant gaming culture, and many people, including older generations, enjoy playing video games. Spain. Flamenco dancing. Flamenco, a traditional Spanish art form, includes singing, guitar playing, dance, hand claps, and finger snapping. Sweden. Skiing. With a cold climate and abundant snow, skiing is a popular winter activity in Sweden. Saudi Arabia. Falconry. Falconry is a traditional Arabian sport where trained falcons are used for hunting. Argentina. Tango dancing. Tango is a passionate dance form that originated in Argentina and is widely enjoyed as a cultural expression. Turkey. Backgammon. Backgammon is a traditional Turkish game that has been played for centuries and remains popular today. Thailand. Muay Thai. Kickboxing. Muay Thai is a traditional martial art that has become a popular sport and fitness activity in Thailand. Vietnam. Badminton. Badminton is a widely played sport in Vietnam, enjoyed both recreationally and competitively. Indonesia. Batik art. Batik is a traditional Indonesian art form involving wax-resist dyeing, often used in clothing and textiles. Philippines. Karaoke. Karaoke is a favorite pastime in the Philippines, with many people enjoying singing as a form of entertainment. Iran. Poetry. Persian poetry has a rich history, and many Iranians appreciate and engage in writing and reciting poetry. Iraq. Carpentry. Carpentry and woodworking are traditional skills in Iraq, with many people enjoying crafting woodwork items. Israel. Technology. Startups. Innovation. Israel has a strong tech and innovation culture, with many individuals engaging in startups and technology ventures. Singapore. Shopping. Shopping is a favorite pastime in Singapore, known for its vibrant shopping districts and malls. Hong Kong. Mahjong. Mahjong is a popular traditional Chinese game, widely played in Hong Kong as a social and competitive activity. Taiwan. Cycling. Cycling is a popular hobby in Taiwan, with many people enjoying both road cycling and mountain biking. Nepal. Trekking. With its diverse landscapes, trekking is a popular activity in Nepal, attracting adventurers from around the world. Bhutan. Archery. Archery is the national sport of Bhutan and is deeply ingrained in the country's cultural traditions. Maldives. Snorkeling and diving. Given its stunning coral reefs, many people in the Maldives enjoy snorkeling and diving as popular water activities. Fiji. Rugby. Rugby is a beloved sport in Fiji with a strong rugby culture and passionate fan base.